Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now with that said trackies, it's day 2 of the Pan American Under 20 Track and Field Championships. And of course, since it's day 2, more medals for Jamaica to add to our collection so far. Now kicking things off, we're going to start with the women's or the girls under 20 4x100 meter final. Now leading that team, of course, Alana took the girls to a silver medal. Now, the team consisting of Ashira Hewlett, Alana Reid, Lavanya Williams, and Tolian Forbes, as I said, finished second, running 45.23 seconds to collect that silver medal. Taking the win was the United States, running 42.88 seconds for the win. And of course, Canada was third with that bronze medal, 46.15 seconds. Now, based on the time you're hearing from Jamaica, that 45.23 seconds is not a time that we're used to running in recent times, and we do hold the world junior record at 42.58 seconds. However, this is a silver medal and we are definitely grateful. So congrats to the girls, and of course Ashira Hewlett and Alana Reid do add to the medals they've already collected at the championships. Now moving on to the boys equivalent, and we're talking about, of course, the 4x100 meters. Unfortunately, Jamaica was disqualified here. The team consisting of Junior Harris, Bouwahjgie Nkrumie, Damore Miller, and DeAndre Daly, as I said, was disqualified. Taking the win was Bahamas. Some of y'all know why I'm laughing when I said Bahamas, running 39.75 seconds. In second place was Puerto Rico, running 40.15 seconds, and Argentina finished third, running 40.26 seconds. Also being disqualified was the United States in this race as well, which is very interesting considering that Jamaica also got disqualified. So Bouwahjgie Nkrumie does not add to his medal tally that he's received so far at the championships. Now moving on to the women's 100 meter hurdles. Now I spoke about Ashira Hewlett adding to her medal tally, and of course her first medal came in the women's 100 meter hurdles, where she collected silver here. Taking the win was Myla Green, running 13.70 seconds, Ashira Hewlett from Jamaica running 13.76 seconds for the silver, and Lays Rodriguez Silva ran 13.94 seconds to collect the bronze medal, and she is from Brazil. Now moving on to the women's discus throw, another medal here for us, and this time again it's another silver medal. We're picking up quite a few silver medals here today, but again we are very grateful. Now Abigail Martin walked away with the silver medal, throwing 55.47 meters to take that silver medal. Taking the win from Canada is Julia Tongues, and she threw 56.98 meters. Again, Abigail Martin finished second, throwing 55.47 meters, and Maddie Faye from the United States threw 52.70 meters to take the bronze medal. Now moving over to the men's discus throw, we picked up a bronze medal here. Taking the win was Seth Allen from the United States, that threw 60.58 meters for the win. Now Brendan C., also from the United States, collected the silver medal. He threw 58.32 meters for that silver medal. And in third place, our Jamaican Shaquane Dunn, he threw 58.17 meters to take that bronze medal. Now, Ricardo Hales and Kobe Lawrence were non-starters in this event. Now, moving on to the men's 110 meter hurdles, taking the win was Blaze Atkinson from the United States, running 13.46 seconds. In second place, silver medal was Daniel Beckford. He ran 13.52 seconds. And in third place, taking the bronze medal was Jose Mendez da Silva. He ran 13.55 seconds to take that bronze medal. We also did have Richard Hill from Jamaica entering in this event, and he finished 6th, running 13.65 seconds. Apparently he was also involved in a rerun. Not sure what happened, in the first go of the race, but it seems as though they had to rerun on their own, and based on the times they ran, they were slotted into the overall standings, and of course his placement ended up being 6th overall. Now moving on over to the men's long jump, we did win a medal here as well. Taking the win was Juriad Hughes Cruz from the United States, he jumped 7.61 meters to take the win. Rohan Walters from Jamaica jumped 7.48 meters to take that silver medal. And Ashton Torrance from the United States jumped 7.39 meters to take the bronze medal. We also had Demario Prince in this event, and he jumped 7.34 meters to finish fourth. Now, the final event that I'm covering here on this second day of the Pan American Under 20 Track and Field Championships is the women's 400 meter dash. Now, taking the win in this event was Christine Mallard. She ran 51.88 seconds to take the win. In second place was Lauren Lewis from the United States. She ran 52.06 seconds to take that silver medal. And Dejani Oakley from Jamaica ran 52.50 seconds to take the bronze medal. In fourth place, we also had from Jamaica Tanya Beckford, and she ran 54.30 seconds. Now, that is it, trackies. Sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Medals galore as usual. And again, this is not our best team that we've clearly sent to this Pan American Championships, but the athletes are still holding down the fort and collecting medals galore. Sound off in the comment section, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one. Bye.